Finally, there's a DTF printer that genuinely meets your expectations and makes your printing journey smoother. We're thrilled to introduce the Roland TY-300, a model designed to address the core needs many DTF users have faced over time. If you've been working with DTF printers before, you're probably familiar with the frustrations, frequent printhead replacements that add up, and unreliable technical support where technicians may show up or sometimes not. We understand how overwhelming and discouraging that can be. That's why we're especially excited. This printer is here to change that experience for the better. Prioritize color accuracy above all else. One of the key things when working with a DTF printer is making sure colors match perfectly, faithfully transferring your designs onto fabrics, textiles, or other surfaces. Many existing DTF printers struggle with aligning the color and white layers just right. But that's no longer a concern with this printer. Unlike others that need technical tweaks and tools, the TY-300 only needs a few simple adjustments in the settings menu. Say goodbye to worries about color-to-white alignment. General advantages. First of all, it's of Japanese quality. Roland is known for creating products that are highly user-focused and designed for comfort and reliability. The printer includes an important feature, a cleaning channel, which is filled with cleaning solution to keep the printhead constantly moist, preventing it from drying out. In the morning, when the operator starts work, there's no need to spend an hour getting the printer ready to print. This cleaning feature completely solves that issue. Like all Roland printers, the TY-300 comes with the VersaWorks RIP software, which offers excellent color output and is very user-friendly. Optional upgrade, DTF Factory by Fiery. There's another important feature to consider, the DTF Factory RIP software developed by Fiery, which we offer as an optional upgrade. We also provide ICC profiles for both VersaWorks and DTF Factory. Here's what DTF Factory does. It significantly reduces your designer's workload. In many cases, there's no need to edit files manually before printing because DTF Factory automatically determines how to process the file and apply the white layer to produce the desired print result. One of its key features is automatically detecting and reducing the thickness of the white layer, both in colored and black areas. Since it lowers the percentage of white ink coverage, it directly reduces the cost of each print, making it more economical than any other DTF printer currently on the market. Cutting function and flex film support. The printer also includes a material cutting function, which activates after a job is completed, so you don't need to purchase a separate cutter. You can also load colored flex films and cut them directly on this device. Two installation options. The TY-300 can be installed in two configurations, with original Roland cartridges or with a factory-developed bulk ink system designed specially for the TY-300, using inks priced at just €35 per liter. Most importantly, whether you choose original cartridges or the open system, you'll receive a full 1-year warranty in both cases. Roland TY-300 printer parts availability. Guaranteed supply for the next 10 years. We are pleased to inform you that the Roland TY-300 DTF printer is a high-quality, industrial-grade machine backed by Roland's decades of expertise in reliability and service excellence. To ensure maximum peace of mind and long-term operational stability for our customers, we officially guarantee the availability of all key components and spare parts for at least the next 10 years, starting from today. During this period, you will have continuous access to original spare parts, technical service and support, firmware updates, and official software. Need a DTF oven? To complete your DTF production line, you'll need a curing oven. Some companies may already have one, but if you're a new business entering the market, you'll need both the printer and the oven. We offer ovens from one of our trusted suppliers at factory direct pricing. You can order one together with your printer, or, if you already have one, continue using your existing setup.
Consistent supply of materials. Let's briefly talk about the materials you'll need for DTF production: hot melt adhesive powder, PET film rolls, and inks. All of these are consistently in stock at AD Tech, so you can purchase them at any time. We always keep them in stock to ensure your production never stops. Another important component is the heat press, which is also always available for purchase at our store. Bonus: free printhead cleaning service. If you own a DTF printer, you've probably experienced or at least heard about this. When even a few nozzles become blocked or go missing, the printer can no longer deliver the high-quality results your clients expect. That's why we've invested in a professional printhead cleaning machine, which is available at our facility. For all customers who purchase consumables from us, we offer this cleaning service free of charge. So the frustration of repeatedly replacing printheads ends here. We'll do our best to extend the lifespan of your printheads and help you save money in the long run. We'll be waiting for you at our office location starting tomorrow, and we wish you continued success in your business journey.